Welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu Lovelies. I brought you super important drink called Tigernuts Drink. This drink contains natural minerals that will improve your bodily function. When we are talking about Bola game, Papa and Mama game, this is very good. And if you want to sleep like a baby, drink this. You will thank me later. This is very good, contains lots and lots of health benefits. I don't want to go much into it. Go and search about it yourself, and I know you're going to thank me later. What I'll be using is what I have here, tiger nuts. What I'll be doing now is to wash the tiger nuts very well. You can first of all pick any one that is spoiled or dirt out of the tiger nuts. So I'm just going to pour it into the water, and the rest spoiled one is going to float on top of the water. And if there is any remaining dirt on it, you will see it on top of the water. So I'm just going to take them out and wash the tiger nuts very well. I washed it several times off the camera, and I covered it with water, and I kept it in the fridge for good 3 days. So after 3 days, this is how it came out. It is double in size. It is so soft. In fact, I've almost finished eating this. I must say, it is so yummy. Yes, you can see how clean the water is, and it is very cold. If you'll be soaking your tiger nuts and you don't want to keep it in the fridge, that means you'll be changing the water every day for 2 to 3 days before it gets soft. Okay, so I'll be using dates as well. Look at this date. Date is going to stand as the sweetener. Natural sweetener is what it's going to stay in it for, and it's going to add its own health benefits into it. But your dates have to be seed free. You can see this one, I bought it this way. It is seed free. If yours contains seed, you have to remove it. All right, that is how it has to be. After that, I'm going to use coconut. This has been removed, washed, and yes, that is the coconut I'll be using. Yes. So I'm going to blend everything with my blender. If you're using commercial blender, please ask them to wash their machine very well, okay? Because after blending tiger nuts, it gets sour so quickly. So if your machine is not well cleaned after blending beans or whatever, it's going to affect your tiger nuts. Okay, so I'm going to blend tiger nuts, dates, and coconut, and I will be blending it with cold water. Yes, this is very cold water. It helps it to keep it fresh. All right, so I'm going to add water for easy blending and blend it till smooth as much as possible. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to you all, my lovely subscribers, my commenters, sharers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for sharing them. God bless you. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Let me know you are here. Leave a comment. Thank you. After blending, this is what you're going to have. All right, this is how it will be. It is so cold because I blended it with cold water. At this stage, you can add some ice in it. The weather is very cold here where I live right now, so I don't need to add ice into this. It's now time to sieve it. If you have sieve bag, you can use it, but this is what I have. I'm going to sieve it 2 times. The down one is finer. I'm just going to use this one at the top to sieve the shafts out of it. And my cold water is also ready. Okay, so I'm going to start to sieve it now. You can just use spoon to move it around. As you're moving it, you will see the milk coming out of your tiger nuts, and what you're going to have left is the shaft. So I'm just going to add some cold water into it and rinse it once again. Please, not too much water. It must not be too watery. All right, so this is how I'm going to repeat the process until I'm through with the whole tiger nut mix. Okay, so like I've said, if your weather is warm where you have had some ice at that stage, don't let it get sour. You can refrigerate it, bottle it, and keep it in your freezer or in your fridge. And for another level, add some vanilla extract or vanilla sugar into this. Your children will love it. You will love it. Your mom will love it. It will take the flavor to another level, and the taste is super delicious. And like I've said, for that gula game, take this. For you to sleep like a baby, take this, and with loads of health benefits.